Little barn houses?
Remember that paper there with the cat on it? That's the paper we rented. Far away. You can ride on piggyback.
Yeah, you were riding with the little backpack. Yeah. What did we do there?
When did we do that?
We ate food?
Yeah. My bird wings are really good. The bird wings are really good.
Who made you, Birdie?
Somebody did. I was flying next to that tractor, and I want to say, beep, 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 beep. Yeah, and I was flying over there on that tractor over there.
You got your toes in the grass there.
I'm the chicken.
My friend Savannah Jasmine, it's a beautiful evening.
Look at those cows there. Those cows are not moving around again. See those cows moving around when someone showed up on the window? They saw a yucky cat on the window, a poop cat on the window. A poopy cat on the window. It was a ghost cat. It was a ghost cat.